Hi guys, this is just a short video. As you can see, I got the gas tank attached. I don't know if you can see the hoses, but I got the hoses on the steering column. I got all that done. And the next part will be the seat. This part here will be the seat part. And I'll be doing that tomorrow. But this is just a quick one. Yeah, and I also did a stand on the back, so it holds the back wheel in, as you can tell. So, but it's getting there. Anyways, this is just a real short one. I'm gonna be doing a GTO, 69, I think it is. No, a 68 Pontiac GTO for Brooklyn. She asked me to build one, so that's what I'm gonna do after this bike build. And once this bike is finished, I'm gonna clean my hobby table so you won't see such a mess. Because some people were talking about it. But anyways, that's it for now. As I said before, if you become a member and I get 10 members, I will do a draw. And it will be either a gift card or a airbrush or something else. Whoever wins, they have a choice. Okay? I'll talk to y'all later. Bye for now.